CGL Combined Graduate Level Exam 2022. So any degree candidates can apply for this exam for SSC Combined Graduate Level Exam. Date of submission of the online application 23/12/21 to 23/1 to the official website is https://ssc.nic.in. So in this dates of submission of the online application is 23 to 23/1. Last date and time for receipt of the online application 23/1/2022. Last date for the time of making online fee payment is 25/1/2022. Last date and time for generation of offline challan is 26/1. Last date for the payment through the challan is 27/1/2022. Date of window for application form correction including online payment is 28/1 to 1/2/2022. Okay, so schedule of computer based exam is April 2022. Okay, so tier 2 exam is to be notified later, this possibilities later. So the various 22 for filling up the various group B and group C post in the different ministries, departments and organizations of the government of India at the various constitutional bodies. So name of the post is 1. So assistant audit officer, assistant account officers, age limit is 80 to 30. So group B, assistant section officer, assistant section officer, assistant section officer. So this is a various appointed in various departments. Assistant section officer, Ministry of External Affairs, age group P and age is 20 to 30. Assistant section officer AFHQ, assistant section officer, assistant section officer, other ministries and departments organization, inspector of income tax. Okay, so income tax CBCD group C 80 to 30, inspector of CGST and central excise CBIC group C 32, inspector preventive officers CBIC group B. So inspector examiner, assistant enforcement officer, sub inspector, inspector post, inspector, assistant superintendent, assistant research assistant for National Human Rights Commission, divisional accounts officer under the CG, sub inspector, junior statistical officer, statistical investigator grade 3, auditor office under the C and AG group C. So 29th is auditor, accountant, junior accountant, senior secretariat assistant, upper division clerk, senior secretariat assistant, tax assistant, sub inspector. So this is a group C. I think group C, the age limit is all our age limit is 18 to 27 up to. Okay, so office under C and AG, other ministry, department, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology, central government officers, ministries. Okay, vacancies and reservations will be determined in the due course. The official website, the vacancy position will be uploaded on the website of the commission. Okay, commission HDB SSC NSC candidates current tentative vacancy. So there is for mainly for group C and group A officer. Eligibility for candidate citizen of India, subject of Nepal, subject of Bhutan. Okay, so from the post which age limit is 18 to 27. So candidates must have been born not earlier than 2/1/1995 and not later than 2004. So this is the age limit of the various postings. So permissible relaxation is CST is 5 years, OBC 3 years, PWD unreserved 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, PWD CST is 15 years, ex-serviceman is 3 years. Assistant audit officer, assistant account officer, essential bachelor degree from the recognized university, any degree. So assistant statistical officer, bachelor degree in any subject recognized university. Okay, this is the essential qualification of the following post. So apply online application is applied through online application. This is the HDB SSC.nic.in. Okay, so last date of submit the online application is 23/1/2022. Fee payment is 100. So this various examination centers. Okay, Bangalore, Port Blair, this examination centers. So this examination centers, Scheme of examinations is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4. Computer based examination, computer based examination, pen and paper mode, computer proficiency test, data entry skill test. Okay. General intelligence reasoning 25 questions 50 marks, general awareness 25-20, quantitative aptitude 25-50, English comprehension 25-50, paper 1 quantity aptitude 200 marks for 2 hours. So tier 2 is 200, paper 3 is statistics, 100 for 200 marks, paper 4 is general studies, finance and economics 100. Tier 1 and tier 2 consist of objective type, multiple choice, both in English and Hindi. Pen and paper mode is described English 200 max mark 100 1 hour test. So this is the basic details for filling the applications. Okay. Thank you.